Today we're doing bacon wrapped green beans. So let's get started. So for our bacon wrapped green beans, we are going to need bacon, fresh green beans which have been blanched in salt water, boiling salt water for about 2 minutes, onion powder, butter, and brown sugar. So let's get started. What you need to do is cut your bacon in half, and I use the extra thick bacon. So we're going to lay out a couple of strips, and being this is raw meat, we need to remember to wash our hands once we are completed. Then you're going to take approximately 6 green beans and lay them across. And you can do this with canned green beans, but I find that the canned green beans, you tend to have a lot of broken beans in it. So then we're going to take roughly a teaspoon of sugar, put that on top. Then a small piece of butter. And then a little onion powder. Oh, yeah, just a fresh bottle. Hold on a second. I know I've got an open bottle somewhere. There it is. There we go. And then we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of onion powder across them. Then you're going to take the bacon and then just roll them up like so. And we'll set them on a baking dish. I mean a wired baking rack. Alright. And we're going to do a couple more. And our brown sugar. Come on. That one's not wanting to play nice. And our butter. And then a little bit onion powder. And then we roll them up. Alright, so I'm going to continue doing this, and once these are all completed and ready to go into a 350-degree oven, we'll be right back. Alright, so we have our green beans all wrapped and ready to go, so we're going to pop these into a 350-degree oven for 30 to 45 minutes till the bacon is crisp and the beans are tender. So we'll be back in a little while. All right, so these have been going for 45 minutes and they are good and ready. So let me get these plated up and we'll be right back. So our green beans are plated up and ready to go. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. New videos are posted every Tuesday. And till next time, enjoy.